For over 2 decades, Lamborghini's entry-level supercar was defined by one thing: a naturally aspirated V10 that screamed to the heavens. The Gallardo, the Huracán, 2 generations of pure, unfiltered emotion. Then came the Temerario, and the internet lost its mind. A turbocharged V8 in a Lamborghini? The end of an era. But when Lamborghini finally revealed the numbers, the critics fell silent. 10,000 RPM, 920 horsepower, a flat plane crank and titanium connecting rods. This is not the turbocharger curse. This is the turbocharger conquered. The Temerario's 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 is not a borrowed Audi or Urus engine. It is an entirely clean sheet design, built from the ground up in Sant'Agata Bolognese. The goal was impossible. Combine the linear, screaming power delivery of a naturally aspirated engine with the brutal torque of a modern turbo. Lamborghini Chief Technical Officer Reuven Moore described the paradox. Linkage would provide more performance with just a naturally aspirated engine, because the aspirated engine would need to be really big in terms of capacity. So that's why we opted for a V8 turbo. But we decided to do a V8 turbo in a completely different way. The new V8 produces 789 horsepower on its own, more than the Huracán STO, and delivered at a sky-high 9,000 to 9,750 RPM. Peak torque of 730 Newton-meters arrives between 4,000 and 7,000 RPM, creating a power band that is both broad and savage. The engine-specific output is 197 horsepower per liter, a figure more common in race cars than road-legal supercars. And the redline? A staggering 10,000 RPM, making it the only production super sports car to achieve that number. How does a turbocharged engine rev like a naturally aspirated V10? The answer lies in a collection of race-derived engineering solutions. First, a flat plane crankshaft, chosen for optimal fluid dynamics, and a unique, high-pitched sound that does not resemble a typical turbo V8. Second, titanium connecting rods, lighter than steel, reducing reciprocating mass and allowing the engine to spin freely to 10,000 RPM. Third, diamond-like carbon-coated finger followers, race-proven valve train components that can withstand speeds up to 11,000 RPM. Finally, a hot V configuration, turbos nestled between the cylinder banks for optimal packaging and thermal management. Paolo Ricchetti, Lamborghini's product line director, explained, "From 4,000 to 10,000 revolutions per minute, this engine has a sound all its own. It doesn't sound like a turbo engine at all. It really has a high tone and provides a lot of emotion. There is a reason most turbocharged engines cannot rev to 10,000 RPM. The turbos are too large and take too long to spool. Lamborghini solved this with hybridization, an electric motor mounted between the engine and the transmission, making 150 horsepower and 300 Newton-meters of torque. Fills in the low-end power gap, eliminating turbo lag. 2 additional motors on the front axle provide torque vectoring and an extra 82 horsepower each. The result? A total system output of 920 CV, roughly 907 horsepower, and a 0 to 100 kilometers per hour time of just 2.7 seconds. But the real magic is not the number, it is the delivery. A turbocharger typically muffles exhaust tone, creating a muted, industrial note. Lamborghini's engineers refuse to accept this compromise. The flat plane crank and titanium rods create a high-frequency scream that builds with ferocity from 4,000 RPM onward. A sound that gets MotoGP riders nodding in recognition. Andrea Caldarelli, Lamborghini Squadra Corse factory driver, described the experience. Sidebar: the tachometer climbs toward 10,000. You have the sensation of being behind the wheel of a race car, characterized by a unique sound and an authentic and compelling driving experience. Lamborghini did not simply build a powerful V8. They built an engine that defies the conventions of its own architecture. Reuven Moore told Car and Driver, "The flat crank also provides benefits on the intake side, and it produces the great sound that we wanted." The Temerario is proof that a turbocharger does not have to destroy the character of a supercar. It can enhance it, if the engineering is done correctly. The Lamborghini Temerario's V8 is not a compromise, it is a statement. At a time when competitors are downsizing and electrifying, Lamborghini has created an engine that screams to 10,000 RPM, with the ferocity of a naturally aspirated V10 and the torque of a modern turbo. It is the turbocharger curse reversed, and it is a masterpiece.